like this. Okay, now what you can do, you can write down article submission sites. Okay, and you can you can just click top 111 article submission sites list for 2022. Okay,
Okay.
and then then you can click on the first website, for example Ensign articles or GitHub. Let's go for GitHub. Github.com. Click github.com, and it's a developer site. Leave this website because it's hard to find websites in this one. Sometimes it's difficult to find sites which are working, which are not working. You will create your account, you will open a website, and you will see that it is not working. Okay, so this happens in this one. Now this article base, submit, click on submit article. Author name, my name is Talha. I will write down mine. Talha Tanveer Supra at gmail.com. Article title. Okay, my article title, I will take one of my clients website, VP Dubai King.a, and I will take a page. See, whenever you want to rank a keyword, you have to take its page. For example, I want to rank Uto disposable. Uto disposable. This is my keyword. Keyword is the keyword is the thing which you search on Google. Okay, this is my
Okay.
keyword. The thing which you search on Google. For example, I want to search vape shop Dubai. Now my keyword is vape shop Dubai. PP Dubai King. This keyword is appearing on the seventh position.
Mm.
Now I will be using this keyword VP Dubai King. Okay. My title is vape shop in Dubai. Okay. The keyword will be your title, vape shop in Dubai. Article category, choose a category. It's a business and it's a sales and services technology. What shall we choose here? Uh, just let me see the things. I will choose. It's smoking is not there, but we have to choose something kind of business sales. Article body, copy and paste your article. Please do not include your website URLs in the article body. If you have URLs to include, you may include them in the resource box below. So, what is my article? I will take my article, full article like this. Okay,
Okay.
just a minute. Copy and paste. Now, what they
Okay.
are saying, if there are link, give the link in this box. So, what is the link? This is the link. Okay. Challenging question,
Okay.
5 plus 3, 8. I accept and continue. Give one more resource, port system, port devices, and continue. Submit for review. This is an article which is submitted for review, and your links will come like this. Okay. and submit for review. If this will be approved, you will receive an email. If it will be not approved, you will see, oh, it will take over last 90. Listed below are your submitted article over the last 90 days. This is my article. We required your email address to be verified. Okay, let's verify our email address.
Uh-uh.
Gmail, let's see. Okay, so what we are doing here, we will verify our email, verify email address, and it is verified. Okay, now this website is getting your link in a separate way. There is another website which will ask you for a link, for example, uh, Tumblr, tumblr.com. Copy this, go here, paste, dashboard, click on text, or you can click here also. In this way, write an article. Okay, title, what is your title? My title is where it is, PP Dubai King. Title is Vape Shop in Dubai, and you can copy this article and paste it here. Okay, after this, now what you have to do, you have to do this vape shop. You have to find a keyword, vape shop in Dubai. See, when you write an article, there is a requirement you have to add this keyword like 2 3 times. Vape shop in Dubai. Why? Because it's a Google algorithm. When Google will go to other website and see the link is there on these keywords, links are going on this keyword, then Google will rank you for this keyword. Okay, vape
Okay.
shop in Dubai. Okay, vape shop near me. You can use this keyword also. But see which keyword is connected with this one. Vape shop near me. Now see, vape shop near me. Which link is coming? VP Dubai King main link. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you will use the same link for which your keyword is ranking. Okay, and you will select this keyword and click on link and click on done. Okay, now there are one keyword, two keyword. Don't give more than three keywords. Okay, Miley devices in one article only three keywords and link Miley devices and find out Miley disposable and copy this and paste it. Okay, and then submit it. You want to give images? Click here, press enter, and this is insert photo and insert. any photo like web photo. Stig web disposable. Okay, unable to upload. Okay, I'm just telling you
Mm.
how you can upload. Okay, and then
Mm.
give your tags. Your tags will be your keywords. Web shop in Dubai. Okay,
Mm.
web shop and post. These are two different ways. Some websites will ask you for the link. See, your link and your keyword is the most important thing. Okay, link
Your
and
what? Sorry.
your links and your
Okay.
keywords are the most important things. Okay,
Okay.
if you will not give link in your article, there is no advantage of writing an article and creating a backlink. These are known as backlinks. SEO is all about backlinks. So okay, so this is the way. Now if you want to find, you want to practice, go on my sheet. I will share you the sheet also. Rimsha, kindly send me your email. I will share you the sheet on your email. Okay, and you can go on these websites. New article submissions. These websites are working. Try 5 or 6 websites and share your screen one by one. I will be watching and I will be helping you out. Okay. First, Catherine, share your screen. I will make you admin. Catherine, share your screen. Yes. Yes, Catherine.
I will work here, right? In the Excel sheet.
Yeah, your screen is not shared with me.
And it's not yet. Already shared.
No, it's